Tuberculosis atau TB adalah bukan satu penyakit yang baru, dan kalau kajian kita boleh ke belakang lagi, maka TB ini sejak 1000 tahun sebelum Masehi lagi pun telah ada rekod.
90% daripada jangkitan kuman Mycobacterium tuberculosis melibatkan paru-paru. Namun begitu, dia juga boleh menjangkiti organ-organ lain di dalam tubuh badan manusia seperti otak, tulang, sendi, kelenjar limfa dan juga organ-organ penting yang lain. Gejala utama jangkitan adalah batuk yang berpanjangan. Terkadang batuk mempunyai kahak yang mempunyai darah, dan jangkitan ini mempunyai banyak kesan-kesan ataupun gejala yang tidak spesifik seperti demam malam yang berpanjangan, tidak mempunyai selera makan dan juga penurunan berat badan yang sangat ketara.
Ada juga mereka yang tidak ada gejala, dan keadaan ini dipanggil sebagai latent TB, di mana kuman TB itu ada dalam orang yang dijangkiti tapi orang itu tidak dapat penyakit TB.
There is a global initiative or a global task force that actually try to end this TB, which is an epidemic, right? They wanted to end TB in 2030 so that there will not be any TB after this. Yes.
Our LRGS program entitled Enhancing the Fundamentals for Effective Control of Tuberculosis basically attempted to consolidate what we have done so far on TB research by further enhancing our knowledge on issues that are most important to move TB research and therefore TB control more effectively for the country. 3 institutions were involved. That's USM, UITM and the Ministry of Health. There are some notable impactful outcomes of our program. For example, our vaccine research has catalyzed the setting up of a spin-off company from USM, Vex Biotechnology or Vex Biotech, which is a biotech company specializing in vaccine development. Furthermore, our vaccine research and expertise and talent that we have developed have directly contributed to our potential role in realizing the recently launched National Vaccine Development Plan. Another example is our diagnostic research has resulted in the licensing of an assay that we developed to detect multi-drug resistant TB to Mediven, which is a local in vitro diagnostics company focusing on diagnostics of infectious diseases. Our collaborative team from UITM, led by Professor Datuk Muhammad Zaki Saleh, has mapped the genetic diversity of Mycobacterium tuberculosis isolates and have identified genomic signatures associated with multi-drug resistance in Malaysia and contributed to a global database on the subject. And another significant contribution that was made was via one of our collaborators from the Ministry of Health, led by Dr. Nurliza Muhammad Nordin. She brought together relevant specialists and healthcare professionals from the Ministry of Health all over Malaysia to work on latent tuberculosis, making its treatment and diagnosis an important and significant strategy to achieving the WHO and TB strategy for Malaysia. Their work has contributed significantly to the drawing up of the next National Strategic Plan for TB in the country. This work has also attracted international and national recognition, which has resulted in us obtaining several funding, similar funding value as the funding we received from LRGS, both in monetary and in-kind contributions from international and industrial sources. Overall, I think we have achieved some significant outcomes, exceeding our promised deliverables to the Ministry. We would therefore like to register our heartfelt thanks to the Ministry of Higher Education for funding this study. We are also indebted to all our students, research assistants, lab staff, our respective universities and agencies, as well as everyone who have contributed directly and indirectly to making this program a great success. Thank you very much.